This is LeetCode question number 137, single numbers 2. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a non-empty array of integer, every element appears 3 times except for 1, which appears exact 1. Find that single one. Note, your algorithm should have a linear time complexity. Could you implement without using extra memory? That means that we use the constant space. Okay, let's check example 1. There are 2 is the 3, and then 3 is only 1, so return 1. In this case, this one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so 99 is the return. Okay, how are we gonna do? Actually, today I gonna introduce the 3 way to find the answer. First, 2 is the using data structure, map and set, and then last thing is that we needed to use without any data structure. At that time, I will use the bit operation. Okay, let me explain while I'm implement it. So first is the using the map. Using map is the easiest way to find out. So that one is very easy. So we make the one map, and the key is the number, value is the frequency of the number. So after made the map, we find the value is only 1, frequency is only 1. That will return. This time I will use the collection and collections counter, put and collections, and I make the counter is collect. I will use collections counter and then put nums. Now we made the map for key and value in counters items, because the map does not have the iteration. So if value is 1, I will return key. It's quite working well. And then next, let me use the set. In case of the using set, we needed to one equation. Equation is this one: 3 multiply a plus b plus c minus a plus a plus a plus b plus b plus b plus c equal to multiply c. The reason is at the 3 multiply a is the 3a. I will deduct 1 by 1. This one with this one, and then 3b is the b plus b plus b plus, and then we left the 3. So in this case, this is 3 minus 1, so this is 2. That this makes sense. So we will use this one. So to do that, return, I will each one is I will get rid of the duplicate one. I will use set nums. This one is a plus b plus c, and then this one multiplies 3 multiplies sum of set, and then I minus sum nums. Then this is 2c, so to return c, I will divide it to 2. Yeah, this one also works very well. Okay, but both of them is that we needed to use the space complexity is linear. So last we will use the bit operation. And then I will use XOR and operation and not operation. Okay, previous question single remember is a little bit different. At that time, every element is the twice, and the only one is 1. At that time, one of the best way is use bit operation, the XOR operation, because 2 XOR 2 is 0. That means if we operation two same number with XOR, and the return value is the 0. So, but this one is the different because this is a 3. So at this time we needed to use the 2-bit mask. If we use the 2-bit mask, okay, I will make the 1 and 2. So first time I will check. First time I will change 1, and then next time, if 1 change, I will 2 also change it. And then next time if the 2 change it, also 1, 2 is to make the 0. And then status is not 2. That is the flip the 3. 0, 1, 2. So sum is the 3, so we can calculate it. Okay. Okay, I will implement first, and then let me continue explanation. 1 is 0 and 2 is 0 for n in nums, and then 1 is, I will put 1 with n. If 1 XOR n, if 2 is does not change it. 2 are the same. I will do 2 XOR n if 1 is not changed. And then last I will return 1. Okay, let me test this one. 1 is 0 and 2 is 0, and then test data is this one. Okay, let me change it the position, but the different also same. Okay, first, now it's 2. First is 2, and then it's time the 0, 0, and then 1 is 1, and n is, this one is 2, right? But this one is and if 2 is true. If 2 is true, it means this is not, so this one must be first. Now 2 is 0, 0 means first. So first not true, and this one value is true, so put 1 is the 2. And then, okay, let's check the 2. In this case, 1 is has the value, means this one is true. True not is the first, so it cannot get into the 2. So now 2 is 0, and then next now, and then now is here. And now 1 is the 2, and then 2 XOR 2 is this one is 0, right? So it got 0, even this one is the first, right? And then now it's 2. 2 is this one. Now is 1 is first, 0 is first, right? So not first is true. So now we can put this one with this one. So now it's 2. And then this one is third round. Now, okay. 1 is 0, so it able to be the 2. But in this case, 2 is the true. This one not true, so it cannot put into here, right? And then next 2 also 2 is the 0. And then not is first, so this one is true, and then this one able to put here. So 3 times, the 3 time number is changed to 0, 0. So next is 3 come in, and then 3 here. So return 3. Okay, let's check with the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. Okay, this time the time complexity is there are 1 iteration, so it is a linear time with constant space because I only use only two variable and then that is constant. Thank you.